to make an appointment with a tutor with whom you can meet virtually on the screen like this, just log in. You will search for your school, and then you will use your username and password that you use to sign into Blackboard. If you are unable to sign in, then you should contact the tutors in the tutoring lab by email or by phone. But this is a meeting that you could have any time of day, so you may not have access or a quick response from the tutors in the tutoring lab that are on campus for help logging in. But if you do have time to wait, or you're calling during the day, during the hours that are listed here, you can call the front desk and let them find someone who can help you log in if your A number and usual Blackboard password are not working. Once you've logged into Blackboard, you are used to seeing this screen. This is where you upload a single assignment for a review. But if you want to meet with a tutor, and you can do this for English classes, just click on the Meet with a Tutor, and then you're going to type in your subject area, English if it's my class. Select the English type. If it's English 101, select that. And then you can select whatever tutor you would like. You can see that the Wallace State tutors are listed. I would guess that the Wallace State tutors are only going to be available to meet virtually during normal business hours for the college. But if you find an upswing tutor, you can probably schedule a time. So schedule with the tutor that's an upswing tutor. Look, even at 10 o'clock online. So these are for one-on-one sessions. Saturday 8 to 2. Sunday this tutor has time. So look and see what kind of time each tutor has available to you. You can also read about the experience of each tutor. This particular tutor has a master's in musicology. That's pretty cool. With certainly enough background in college writing to help an English 101 student. Look, she has a Bachelor of Arts degree in English, so this is great. She posts a reminder to bring the file to the session itself, so when you're meeting online, she can walk you through the process of uploading it when you're meeting, or being able to share the screen with her. So that is how to access an online tutor to make an appointment. Let's see if I can find Mr. Hassenbein's schedule. Yes, it's pretty much going to be what regular business hours are for your regular campus tutoring. So make sure that you look for somebody who has the schedule that you need. You may have to adjust your schedule a bit as well, but hopefully you'll find someone who can meet with you one-on-one, especially if that works better for you, to have somebody say, look, here's a comma splice right here. Let's fix that, or let me help you integrate this source correctly using MLA format. Make sure that you also can share any sample essays that I have given you or provided on Blackboard. That might help the tutor as well to understand the assignment better and what the end goal should be for your assignment.